Welcome to a family art workshop presented by WheatonArts. Today we are going to be creating Felt Bird Bookmarks. The required materials include felt sheets or scraps, a jumbo paperclip that's about 80 millimeters in length, cardstock and a pencil to draw the bird's shape, fabric scissors, a hot glue gun, and sticks. Begin by drawing the bird's shape onto your cardstock. You're going to want to draw the individual elements of the bird, including the body, a wing, a beak, and an eye. Then cut out your drawn shapes to use them as a template. Hold the cardstock templates over the felt sheets and carefully cut out the bird shapes from the felt. And use each template twice so that you have 2 bodies, 2 wings, 2 eyes, and 2 beaks. Next, we are going to assemble our felt layers by applying hot glue to the felt. Glue on a wing to one of the body pieces, and then glue on a beak and an eye. Then grab your second body piece and repeat this process. Make sure to match the placement of the wing, the beak, and the eye on both sides of the bird. Once both sides are assembled, place the 2 bird pieces wrong side up on a table surface. Place the paperclip on one of the pieces, paying attention to the direction of the paperclip. Make sure that it is placed in the orientation that you want the bird to sit on top of the book. Then add glue to secure the paperclip. Place the 2 main body pieces together and add glue along the edges so that the paperclip is sandwiched in between them. And finally, trim any misaligned edges or any excess felt that's sticking out beyond the edges to create a clean, uniform shape. Thank you for joining us, and please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.